What is going on, My Sazon Moto Family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. I have finally got some content for you guys. I know you guys enjoyed the last trip that I did over in Puerto Rico, which was amazing. I had the best time. I did not want to come back. I needed to spend some time with my family. For once, just kind of hang out and just do absolutely nothing. It was great. I have some things today. A few packages I've been waiting on. The biggest thing is this baby right here. I've been waiting on this. You know, a lot of people that have the 20 and 21 Yamaha R1 have been waiting for this tuning. So I finally got it. Here it is. So we're gonna do the unboxing. Everyone was telling me to take out the K&N filter because it's trash. I don't have the full knowledge of how the whole thing works. I never deep dived. You guys get what I'm saying. But basically deep dive into the whole filter and how that works and stuff like that. Everyone kept pointing towards this Sprint air filter. So that's exactly what I'm holding right here. Don't want to show you the front because it's got my information, but yeah, FedEx dropped off the Sprint air filter. So now I have the air filter and the BrenTuning. So today the main thing is to go into the motorcycle and then rip out the power commander that I have in there. So it's gonna be quite an interesting and long day. Mind you, I didn't install it originally, but I'm going in there to uninstall it. So it should be easier, but there's a lot of parts that are coming off, so needless to say, this coffee needs to kick in. You know, that Spanish people coffee, we need to go get it. So I got that Puerto Rican coffee for you, baby. Bustelo, let's get it. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys into the garage. Cheers. We're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing really quickly. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dig into this bad boy. There you go. There you go, Sprint air filter. Beat up to crap, oh my gosh. They gave me whatever was sitting around cracked open, I guess. Let me see. As long as the filter's okay, I can give two shits about the box. Gives you instructions, okay. All right now. Wow, they're not kidding. You can see right through that. Huh. This is supposed to be the best of the best of the best of the best. So let's go and move forward with our next unboxing. Needless to say, it's been a crazy month for me. I had to go get I lost the key to this motorcycle. To make a very long story short, I had to, oh, this is dope. So, what in the world? Candy? I don't think I want to ingest this, but that's cool of them. But yeah, this is the BrenTuning. So yeah, getting into the key, I had to get a new key done. And if anyone knows and has this bike, you already know that this bike comes, the key just doesn't look high quality. So I made this one. I bought this off of, I want to say it was Moto Million. I'll throw the link down in the description so you guys can see if you guys want an extra key. But I'm gonna warn you right now, it was not easy to get this key made, and very expensive. So at least here in Florida, I couldn't find anywhere. I've called everywhere to find out, and yeah, they wouldn't accept it. Designed to be used and stuff. All right, we're not gonna open it now. We're gonna do this later. Actually, no, you know what? Let's do it now. Get it out the way, because we're gonna get into nitty gritty on this bike. So there it is, the flash tuning. Why does this thing look like it was used? Oh no, okay, it's just, there's that, okay. Set that aside. Squeakity squeak squeak. Got some, guess their website. Oh, okay, instructions online, that's dope. So we got some online instructions there. And then all the cabling, yep. USB type C to, I don't know what that is. Yeah, so, okay, so this connects to the flash tuner. Exciting, all right, that's gonna be later. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and focus on the bike itself. All right, so finally got the tank off. Unfortunately, my GoPro died in the process. Bit of a pain to take it out because trying to get, I didn't want to take the whole thing off, but I'm forced to take the entire tank off because these two screws are impossible to get to. All right, you guys, I'm back. Unfortunately, my GoPro died, overheated, and did a whole bunch of stuff. All right, guys, so this concludes this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, I guess, the uninstalling of the Power Commander 5. So, man, I wouldn't want to do that again. I know how to do it now, so the next time it'll be a lot easier because I didn't install it. Somebody else did, but yeah, it was an experience. So who knew? Nothing is broken yet. Well, I haven't turned it on yet, so let's see what happens. Next video, we have the BrenTuning ECU flash coming. So we'll see you guys in that next video. Peace.